Imagine this, cruising the open seas, live music from Colin Ray, and at the same time, learning how to take control of your financial future. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what we're about to do together. Hey guys, I am super excited to be cruising with Colin Ray. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Stephanie Kammerman, but most people, they call me the Stock Whisperer. Why? Because for the past 30 years, I've been able to call just about every major move in the stock market before it happened. And no, I don't have a crystal ball. I got something much better, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, here's where it gets even more fun. My good friend, Randy Hopday, and I know you guys know him, he's invited me and my group of traders to cruise alongside Colin Ray. Why? Well, not only am I a trader, but I'm also a singer-songwriter. In fact, I've written over 100 songs, and I even placed them on TV and radio. But of course, I'm no Colin Ray, and it's tough to make money in the music business. Let's just say I won't be quitting my day job anytime soon. And that's a good thing because I absolutely love what I do. I love helping people learn how to understand and grow their money in the stock market. Now, most of us have some kind of a pension fund or a 401k. Maybe you have a Roth IRA, but very few people actually know how to grow it. And the hardest part is knowing when to get in and when to get out. In fact, too many investors buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Here's where I come in. You see, I have a secret weapon, and it's so powerful that I even wrote a book about it. You might have seen it on TV, and I've used this to help thousands of brand new traders all over the world profit from Wall Street's hidden trades. And here's the exciting part. I've decided to do a free workshop right on board the ship. And in this workshop, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways you can make money in the stock market. 3 different income streams, and one of them is so easy, it's only going to take you 1 minute a day to do this. And if this sounds like something you'd be interested, I would love to have you guys join me. And it doesn't matter if you're brand new to trading and investing or if you're a seasoned pro, because my students will tell you they always walk away with learning something new. And for me, this knowledge has been life-changing, and I love to share that same gift with you guys, but the space is limited. So please reach out to Randy Hopday as soon as possible so we can save your spot. And as a little bonus, everyone who attends my complimentary workshop will also receive personally autographed copy of my book, Dark Pool Secrets. And it's really easy to read. My challenge to you is finish it before the cruise ends. So don't wait. This is your chance to learn, laugh, and cruise alongside Colin Ray, all while discovering powerful tools to take control of your financial future. And I can't wait to see you guys on board. But remember, life's too short to sit on the sidelines. Come join us in this incredible cruise where the sunsets are breathtaking. The music is going to be unforgettable, and the lessons could truly change your future. So reserve your spot today, and I'll see you guys on the ship.